Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. It's Helen here from Cloud Christian Ministries. Can you believe it? We're on to the 11th of December already. But we've always got to remember the real reason for the season. And as you're going about doing your daily business and you're doing your to-do list, just take it easy. Just don't get yourself overwhelmed with it all. It's certainly not worth it. Just reflect and just have a bit of you time. I'm going to read you a little story today about a dog called Mercy, because it is a season for mercy. So if you'd let me read this little story to you, and just close your eyes, have that little cup of coffee or that little 5 minutes chill out as you're listening, and just go with it. Polly, my stepmom, suggested the sweetest name, Mercy. We soon learnt it was just what this new puppy would need. My parents' robustest dog would bolt out of bed and go all day long like they do. So when they brought home a Christmas tree, they expected chaos, and we've all been there a time or two. To their astonishment, Mercy didn't seem to care. She paid zero attention to the tree suddenly growing in the living room, nor did she react to the fancy presents under it, including a wrapped box of milk bones. Dad and Polly were wary. They'd never had a dog that didn't force them to move everything to a higher ground, as if they were expecting a flood, but Mercy seemed oblivious. A few days before Christmas, Polly awoke early, as usual. She passed the dimly lit living room, and then she stopped cold, glancing back into the room. She saw that every last present was gone. Only the tree was still there. Had they been robbed? Why hadn't Mercy barked? Where was she? Had the burglars taken her? Her thoughts were frantic. Polly noticed a scrap of ribbon on the floor, then a bit of torn wrapping paper a few feet away. Some glitter beyond the clues all made the trail leading toward the back door. Polly flipped the switch, bathing the backyard in light. The perpetrator's head lifted and froze. Alarm and guilt made her eyes wide. Oh yes, it was Mercy. She lay under her favourite tree in a fluffy nest of shredded wrapping paper, chewed up boxes and curling bits of ribbon. Presents poured from their packages were strewn among tattered bows. Beautifully wrapped boxes had gaping holes, fragments of tissue paper mixed with the last remaining evidence of gifts. Clearly Mercy's self-control had failed. She silently carried one package after another out of the doggy door, so she could pillage in private. Anything edible was gone, including cookies, chocolates, candy canes and 4 pounds of milky bones. Nature took pity on Mercy, and as she survived her midnight snack, my parents were so grateful they laughed off the ruined presents. Only one problem remained. With all the gift tags destroyed, how could they send out thank you cards? Mercy presented the problem, so Mercy provided the answer. A few days later, Polly returned to her easy chair to find Mercy guiltily licking at the plate where a donut had been. We've all seen that. Polly snapped a picture of the shameful pooch and used it to make thank you notes. The caption read, "Thank you for the question mark. Inside the whole story was explained. We all had to laugh, and everyone shared the sweet reminder that amid all the gift giving is really a season for mercy. And we can all relate to that. Enjoy the season for what it is. Whatever you do today, enjoy the rest of your day. Be blessed, and thanks for joining. Have a fantastic day, and remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Bye for now. Bye.